How's it going, everyone? Today we have another Mechmarket video. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, mainly because, surprise, surprise, cars going by. You can hear that. Sorry about that. They're expensive. These videos are very expensive for me to do, so I can't do them, every other week. Given I haven't done one in like months and months, but I decided I'm just gonna do a couple big buys. And I mainly did them on the Mechmarket Discord, not the Reddit, because I hate the Reddit messaging system. It's just so annoying to use, so mainly on the Discord. But this is not everything. Some of the stuff I'll pop on the screen what else I bought, but what I'm going to show is not everything because I order stuff continuously. Even like yesterday I ordered stuff, so I'm not going to wait for all of it to ship out. I'll just also include what I bought. I'll pop pictures up or whatever. But let's go ahead and I'll show you what I got. I got a lot of stuff. So this is one of the boxes right here. It's a pretty big box. Go ahead, readjust the camera there. I got all the stuff in front of me. Let's crack into it. Let's just get into it right now. I'm gonna start unboxing. Little unbox here today. Do a little unbox session, right? Yeah, this is what I do. This is how I get serious. This is like me going out to like a dinner. I'm not trying to be funny. I'm not trying to be funny right now. This is just who I am. So get used to it. So first off, we got Gmk Red Devils. I bought this a couple weeks ago. It came in before like a lot of this stuff. I've been chasing a lot of these sets. It is hard. It is legitimately difficult nowadays to get certain sets. If you're slow, if you're not like on top of it and checking every minute, you're not gonna get a lot of these sets for decent deals. Somehow I was slow and I like waited like an hour and then I rechecked Mechmarket on Discord and this was still there. For some reason, no one had bought this. I think no one even asked the guy. I don't know why. So I was able to get that. Very happy for like 250. Super good deal because they're going for like 400 to 500 on eBay right now. So happy I was able to grab that. But next up, what should I grab? Gmk Classic Red, just off the top there. I'll throw pictures of all these sets on the screen so you don't have to look them up because obviously they're all sealed, so you can't really see it. But Gmk Classic Red, another set I've been looking for. Shout out to whoever sold me this set. Shipping was quick, like really quick. It came before a lot of stuff that I had bought, which was shipping from in the US, and I'm pretty sure this was international. I want to say Singapore. Don't quote me on that. Sorry if I got that wrong, whoever sold me that. But thank you for that. I've been hunting Classic Red for quite some time now. Ooh, okay. So this actually wasn't this wasn't peer-to-peer. I got this off of Desk Hero and it shipped out. I thought it was something I bought off of Discord, but it wasn't. Gmk Demon Sword. Very happy to get these in. My only regret is that I didn't buy more. That's pretty much it. I really like the set. It looks amazing. The box art though is not a huge fan. Not a huge fan of the box art. It's kind of boring, a little weak in my opinion, but that's just me. That's just my opinion. So put that up there. I got a couple of those. And then I want to say I have more incoming from, I think, Mikibo. Don't quote me. Whoa. Next up here, we got Gmk Pono. There we go with the novelties. People are sleeping on this set. This is such a good set, and I was able to get this under extras cost. So it was like, I can't remember, but it was a really good deal for this and the novelties. It was less than what I would have paid for if I got it off of, I think it's Omni type, because they have extras right now. I think right now they have around 390 in stock, and then Ilum KB just posted their extras and they have around 90 in stock, and then a couple other sites have some, but that's what it's at. But if I can grab sets for under extras costs that I think are pretty legit, I'm always going to do it. So thank you whoever sold me that. Okay, something kind of interesting. I bought this. This is Aurora Polaris. And I had bought the entire kitting, all the sets and whatnot, so the mods, the space bars, and the novelties. And you're gonna see here I have two novelties, two sets of them, because let me throw this to the side here. I ended up actually grabbing two of the base kits 2 of the modifiers and also a desk mat, which I think is nice. I'm always gonna grab desk mats, but put it off to the side there. These are sets that I think are nice. I think Polaris is cool. I'm not sure how many extras were made. I probably have to double check that, but I thought it was interesting. I found 2 people who are pretty much selling the same thing for the same cost. Ooh, what do we got here? We got IFK port. Very nice. I actually am a fan of IFK sets. I love the packaging as well as the quality of the keycaps. Isn't that bad. It really isn't that bad. Happy to have this. Whenever I can get, again, IFK sets, I'm always gonna have to grab those. So there we go. And then we got something kind of interesting. I got a ton of the kittings for Gmk Dracula, the highlights, the errors, space bars, night mode, all that type of stuff, as well as someone's honking outside. Someone's not having a good time. Someone's about to get beat up in a grocery store parking lot. That's likely what's going to happen there. But as well as I got Gmk Dracula, this came unsealed but with the box, which is nice. Big shout out to the person who sold me this. I was kind of eyeballing it for a while. They kept posting it and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to grab it. I need another set of Dracula. Whenever I had it in store, it always sold. So Dracula there. Probably going to take it out of the box and put it in a bag because these keycaps will fall out. Like the Gmk trays, the new ones suck. Everyone knows that. I've said that before. So probably going to end up just putting this in bags and selling it that way. Something you don't see every day. Gmk Cafe with the space bars. My buddy George sold me this, local. Big shout out to you. As well as Gmk Merlin. I have been on the hunt for this set for so long. I love supporting local. Mech Merlin, he's local. He lives like 20 minutes away, I believe. So shout out whoever, no, not whoever, same guy. George sold me this. Shout out George and shout out Mech Merlin. If you haven't checked out his channel, he does a lot of cool stuff, so make sure to go ahead and check that out. There's actually gonna be a keyboard meetup today and I'm gonna have this set signed, so I'm really happy to own this. I tried to buy it before and it was someone who had a sealed set, and this was like months and months ago, but I don't know what the issue was. Like I was trying to buy, I was like, hey dude, just like send me the pay, like invoice, whatever. I asked him something like, hey, like can you go down like 20 bucks or something? And for some reason he's just like, I ain't selling this to you, bro. You're a scammer. I was like, what? Like I just asked if you can go down 20 bucks and I sent you my email. Like what are you talking about? And then he just stopped replying and I was like, God, like could have owned a sealed Merlin. So a little upset about that, but is what it is. It doesn't end there. I still have a few more things which pull up onto my lap here. Whoa, packing slip, don't dox me, dude. Desk mats. I love to carry desk mats. I got a ton of them in store if you haven't seen the posts. Just tons and tons more desk mats, probably just, I don't even know how many, probably around 12 to 15 of them, which desk mats are the best sellers in store for me. This is nice. I might keep one of these. This is a sushi one. Sushi, yummy. Throw that there. Desk mats do really well for me in store because I can charge over retail price, but people save money on shipping essentially. So if you were to buy, let's say, a desk mat on like Makibo or Kono, it's gonna be like 25 bucks. Plus shipping is usually anywhere from like 15 to 20 for some reason. But I've shipped desk mats in the past and usually it's only around 10 bucks. I've only shipped them, you know, on the West Coast, nowhere too far. So maybe that's the reason why it's a little cheaper for me. But yeah, so it ends up being like 45 to 50 bucks if you buy one desk mat on a website sometimes. So people love to just come to the store and you get to see them. So it's a win-win. Desk mats are always a great pickup for me. So I bought a whole box of them. I think there's like 12-ish in there. Let's go over what else I bought. Because again, this is not everything that I had purchased in like the last week or so. I got a used and a sealed Gmk Taro IFK Islander. Yeah, IFK Islander. Man, let me pull up a list because I'm already forgetting. Okay, like I said, IFK Islander as well as Taro, sealed and used, which both of them I feel like I got for a pretty good deal, as well as some really good stuff. GMK Botanical with the Ramas and novelties, all of those are used, but I got it for a pretty good price. I believe, as well as GMK Phosphorus, GMK Apollo, and Penumbra. I think that's how you pronounce it, Penumbra. That is a set that I'm very excited to see in person. It's a little plain in the images, but I think in person it'll actually look very nice. I want to say I actually bought another Apollo set as well, so I bought 2 used sets. I'm pretty sure I did. I feel like I had paid someone for another Apollo. Oh, okay, and this is a really good one. GMK Olivia Dark, which in my opinion kind of just looks like Pono, but it's slightly different hue of like that pinkish. That's a really good set, so happy to pick that up. Super surprised no one bought that before me. Again, I was a little bit slow on checking the Mechmarket Discord, and I swear that was up for a couple hours, and it was still there, and I was like the first person to buy it, and I even think I was like, dude, just give me like 20 bucks off, and I'll grab that. So, yeah, that's pretty much for the most part it. There's probably a couple other things that I'm forgetting that aren't on the list. I kind of just made a quick spreadsheet. It took me like 20 minutes, but yeah, that's the video. We got a ton of new merch for the store. Got some stock, desk pads, mouse pads, whatever you want to call them. Super happy about those as well. Man, these videos are hurting my wallet. They really are. It's actually kind of funny. Sometimes it's like I can come off as a scammer, and I can admit that because I'll like talk to someone who has a ton of stuff listed, and I'll try and ease into it sometimes. Obviously, you can't just go in and be like, dude, give me all this, because I'll admit it's a little suspicious. But there's someone who had Yuru and like a ton of GMK Yuru. I was just trying to buy all of them. They had like 6 sets, novelties, like I think some desk mats, I can't remember, as well as some other sets like Deku, and I was just like, hey, like, how much would you sell a couple Yurus for? Because you got to ease into it, right? And they're like, oh, this much. I'm like, okay, well, what if I were to buy, like 3 or 4? They gave me another price. I was like, okay, how many do you have? So they gave me how many they have, and I was like, okay. I shot them a number for it. They're like, I'm a little off. So I was like, I'm just going to go in. So I went ahead and I was like, yo, I'll buy everything you have listed. Here's my number. And sometimes I'll give them like a time, like, hey, shoot me a response within an hour, because I'm doing buys right now. I don't want to have to commit to a buy after buying a ton of other stuff, because I don't have infinite money, right? So I was like, hey, hit me up before like 7 o'clock, or else I may not be able to afford all these sets. So I did that, and then they didn't hit me up. I didn't buy as much as I thought I did, so I hit them up later on. But I was like, hey, if you still want to sell this stuff, so like, let me know. They never replied, and I'm pretty sure they just thought I was a scammer. So I also have one more set, which I forgot to mention. I got this like a week and a half ago off of Discord. Boom, GMK Arrow, a very nice older set. I think there's only like a couple hundred of these in circulation, but happy to grab this. Almost forgot about this, but yeah, I did buy it like a couple weeks ago, so I was already on the shelf and whatnot. Super cool. A lot of stuff. Bought a lot of stuff today, or not really today, in the last couple weeks. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Another big buy video. I got a lot of stuff to do today. Going to that keyboard meetup. I'm gonna shoot another keyboard meetup video, which those are always fun to do. Hopefully this time it doesn't get like messed up, because okay, so for the last keyboard meetup video, I shot the video and I played like Justin Bieber over it, and it got obviously DMCA'd. I didn't even monetize it or anything, because I knew it was gonna get copyright striked, but which is fine because I'm not it's not monetized, whatever. But for some reason, after they striked it, it made the video all choppy. Like, I don't know why. Like, the video got super choppy, which was annoying because I thought it was a good video, but it, got all messed up. So yeah, there's that. I don't know why. So this time I'm gonna try and use music that isn't gonna get copyright striked, which I would have liked to use a popular song that is, by a big artist, because they're always easier to sync up in my opinion, but is what it is. The original video for the last keyboard meetup, the SMK meetup. Like it was smooth, and then I uploaded it, it was smooth, and then once it got striked, again, it got all choppy. So gonna use different music this time, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Way off track. Big shout out to everyone who sold me stuff. Thank you for watching the video, all my beautiful subscribers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Take it easy. Peace out.